Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where we make learning English fun and easy. In today's video, we are diving into a very important topic, how to use do, does and did in English. These little words are super powerful and can make a big difference in your speaking and writing. So, whether you are a student, a teacher or just someone looking to improve your English skills, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use these auxiliary verbs correctly. Let's get started. Do, does and did are auxiliary verbs used in English to form questions, negatives and emphatic sentences. They are used with the base form of main verb. Usage of do. It is used in the simple present tense with subject I, you, we and they. It is used to form questions, negative sentences and for emphasis in the positive sentences. Examples. Question forms. Do you like coffee? Do they play soccer on weekends? Negative sentences. I don't understand the instructions. They don't live here anymore. Emphatic sentences. I do want to go to the party. We do need to finish this project today. Usage of does. Does is also used in the present simple tense with the subject he, she, it. It is used to form questions, negative sentences and emphatic sentences. Examples of does. Question form. Does she work here? Does it rain often in this region? Negative sentences. He doesn't eat meat. It doesn't look good. Emphatic sentences. She does want to come with us. He does know how to solve this problem. Usage of did. Did is used in the past simple tense with all subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it. It is used to form questions, negative sentences and for emphasis in the positive sentences. Examples of usage of did. Did you see the movie? Did they finish their homework? When we use did, we will use the first form or the main form of the verb. Negative sentences. I didn't know the answer. She didn't come to the meeting. Emphatic sentences. I did enjoy the concert. He did call you yesterday. Now revise the usage of do or does. Both do and does are mainly used in the present simple tense. Do is used with the subjects I, you, we and they. Does is used with the subjects he, she and it. They are used to form questions, negative sentences and to add emphasis. How to form questions? To form a question, we will put do or does at the beginning of the sentence. For example, do you like ice cream? As the subject is you, we will use do. Does she play the piano? As the subject is she, we will use does. How to make negative sentences? To make a negative sentence, use do not or don't or does not or doesn't before the main verb. I do not like spinach. As the subject is I, we are using do not in this example, and he does not watch TV. Here the subject is he, so we are using does not in this sentence. How to add emphasis? To emphasize something, we will use do or does before the main verb in the positive sentence. For example, I do want to go to the party. That means I really want to go to the party. She does like reading. It means that she really likes reading. As the subject is she, we will use does, and in the first example, subject is I, so we will use do. Now Revise this. How to use did. Did is used in the past simple tense for all subjects like I, you, we, they, he, she and it. It is also used to form questions, make negative sentences and add emphasis in the past tense. How to form questions with did. To ask a question about the past, we will start with did at the beginning of the sentence. For example, did you visit the museum? Did he finish his homework? Making negative sentences. To make a negative sentence about the past, use did not before the main verb. They did not go to the party. She did not call me. Adding emphasis. To emphasize something in the past, use did before the main verb in a positive sentence. For example, I did see the movie. It means that I really saw it. He did finish the project. It means that he really finished it. Examples. Present simple tense. Question form. Do you play soccer? Negative. He doesn't like apples. Emphasis. I do want to come. Past simple tense. Question form. Did you see the movie? She didn't go to the school yesterday. I did finish my homework. Summary. Where we will use do. We will use do with the subjects I, you, we, they in the present tense, and we will use does with the subject he, she, it in the present simple tense, and we will use did with all the subjects in the past simple tense. Here is the examples in the table format. Let's see these examples. In the question form, with the subject I, you, we, they, we will use do. For example, do you like tea? And in the past simple, we will use did. Did you like the movie? And with the subjects he, she, it, we will use does. Does he play tennis? And for the past simple, we will use did. Did she visit Paris? Negative sentences. For the subject I, you, we, they, we will use do not. I do not agree. And for the subject he, she, it, we will use does not. She does not eat meat. And for the past simple tense, we will use did not. They did not go, or he did not call. And to add emphasis, for the subjects I, you, we, they, we will use do. For example, we do need help. And for the subjects he, she, it, we will use does. For example, he does like the chocolate. And when we will use did for all the subjects, we can use did in the past simple. I did finish the task, or she did win the race. That's it for today's lesson on do, does and did. I hope you found this video helpful and that you now feel more confident using these verbs in your sentences. Don't hesitate to leave your own examples in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more fun and educational videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and stay awesome.